Thanks for joining us on another journey. Today, we're at Dinosaur National Monument in Utah.
So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey.
Josie Bassett Morris, nearing 40 years of age, divorced and with her children grown, she wanted a home of her own. So she chose this spot for its plentiful water and good pasture. She did all of the tasks herself, including things at the time which would have been considered men's work. She grew fruits, vegetables, she raised cattle. She lived here for like 50 years. Lived until she was 90. She was a badass.
Oh, you are allowed in here, huh? That's just cool. Ready for a dirt floor house? Yeah. That's pretty cool cabin.
Yeah?
Yeah. What trail are we on, April?
It's Hogs Canyon and Box Canyon. I was gonna tell you, this is my kind of hike. In the shade.
In the shade, flat ground, easy, nothing scary.
No, I mean, I don't mind the challenge on occasion. I like where it's kind of like cozy.
Right.
We're cozied into this little canyon.
Cozy little canyon.
It's nice to have an easier hike.
Especially when you're not beaten in the sun.
And especially when we're out of shape, it's nice to have
COVID lifestyle. Fat and out of shape.
It's nice to have not be doing a scary, challenging one all the time. And this is anyone's skill level, really.
Yep. Super easy. I don't know if you can hear it, but the sound of nature, the water, the bird in the background. You gotta come out and check this out. This place is amazing. Oh, look at this. This is cool.
Yeah.
Dinosaur National Monument is pretty impressive. I've kind of didn't think it was going to be as amazing as some of the full-blown national parks, but so far, you got to put this on your list.
It's a woodpecker.
It's a woodpecker.
Yeah. Where is he?
Oh, I see him. There he is. I see him. Damn. Missed the woodpecker.
I really enjoyed it. You're like a bull in a china closet. You did pretty well there being quiet. I must commend you.
Thank you.
And it's hot.
It is hot. It is the desert. Bring lots of water. But this one's got lots of shade on it. So it's lucky.
How do you want to be? Do you want to be cozy or do you want to just be like looking off in the distance?
Just go Vogue.
I never know how to pose for pictures.
I know, it's...
Remember when Autumn was doing splits at the Coral Pink Sand Dunes? Check the card out above. I know I've said this in a lot of my national park videos in the past. There's always new people watching. I like to give a travel tip. Go see all the national parks. It's $80 a year for a national park pass. That gets you and your carload in for free. If you're a veteran or active military, you get the pass for free as well. If you are handicapped, come and check it out as well. You do get a national park pass if you're handicapped as well for free. And I believe that's lifetime.
Josie kept her cattle here.
Yeah.
All she did was just block off that little gap back there.
Yeah, it's actually quite smart.
Brilliant, yeah.
I wonder how the cattle got water.
She probably had it by her homestead by the river. I'm gonna definitely need help down.
Oh, I can tell.
Oh man. Come check this out. Oh! Look, it's like coming out of the rock.
Oh wow, that's awesome. It's like a spring.
Or something.
Yeah, it's a spring. That's cool. God, I love the sound of water.
Mm-hmm.
You want to come up?
Huh?
It's pretty easy. It's just like straight up. When you get to the end of the trail, you can always head up to get a little bit better view. It's a little bit steeper up here, but you got hiking boots, not tennis shoes, because you're gonna need them for this part for sure. But you get views like this. Give you an idea of how straight up and down this is. April's doing the
Oh, please, do not.
crab crawl.
Do not capture this.
I have captured the crab crawl.
Don't you dare laugh at me.
I'm not laughing at you.
You know, when you're in it, it feels, you know, massive and, you know, cozy on either side of you, but then when you get up here and you see what you were down in, it gives it a whole other perspective of another level of how massive it is, right?
Yeah.
And how teeny tiny we are
Yeah, we better
And
get
this-
out of the sun. You're frying, girl.
in this big bad world.
Bring lots of sunscreen and lots of water. You can't even see her. Can you see Autumn down there? She took the easy route out.
She's taking a nap because you didn't let her sleep.
Sleeping's for sissies. It's adventure time. This is us coming back down. What goes up has to come down. Okay, you remember when April said this was an easy hike? The first part of it is super easy. The last half of it is, I'm gonna say it's intense. We didn't make it all the way to the canyon wall.
We don't even know if that's actually a formal trail or if people have just chosen to pave one, you know, because they wanted to go further and see more. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think that was not a part of the formal National Monument Trail.
We never actually saw a defined trail after we left the trail. But it was still fun to explore. Definitely put it on the list. It's super easy to walk to at least go as far as you want to go with it. And beautiful. We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.